Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you don't know by now, my name is Beverly Chanel, and today, of course, I am back with another video. So this video is going to be an unboxing first impressions video. I got sent a package by Merit Beauty. Let me see, can y'all see that? Oh, there we go. Okay, so I got sent a package by Merit Beauty. They are a vegan, cruelty-free company, and they also, they're a minimalist company. So that is that. But, of course, before we get into the video, I do want to say, if you have not subscribed to the vibe, subscribe, turn your notifications on, and also, if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, okay? So without further ado though, let's get into the video. I can't lie, y'all. So I'm excited. So I already cut it, so let's see. Let's open it up. Oh, that's cute. Less is more, which I agree. That's what I was gonna tell y'all. Less is more. So this is a cute box. I like when companies are like, what do you call it? Like cardboard on the outside, and then it's like a cute little thing on the inside. It came with this cute card. This is for the Merit Signature Lip, of course. Comfortable color. It is lightweight, buildable, satin finish. And again, it is clean, cruelty-free, and vegan. So let's see. Oh y'all, it came with this cute bag. That is so cute. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Y'all like this bag, right? Because you can carry it as like a purse. Like they probably call it a makeup bag, but baby, to me it looks like a purse. So let's see what we got. Okay. First things first, we got some Merit Flush Balm, which is cheek color. To use it, you swipe on your cheeks and blend with your fingers. It says you can't mess it up, and it comes in a cute little box like this. So I love their packaging. I love that blue color too. It's so cute. Alrighty, so I'm opening it up. And this is the shade that I chose. This is in the shade Beverly Hills. So I'm gonna actually try that now because I don't have on any blush. So let's try it and see. Can y'all, oh, you can tell. Oh, I like that. I like that. That's okay. That's cute. I like that. That is the, like I said, Flush Balm. That's cute. I can't wait to use that more. Next, I have the Clean Lash, which comes in a package like this, the Clean Lash. And this is lengthening tubing mascara. And if you know me, I love a good mascara. And to use this, you just comb through your lashes, doing a little wiggle at the base to add thickness at your lash line. And to remove it, you just wash with cleanser and warm water. So it seems like it's pretty easy to take off. I feel like this would be ideal for people who don't like waterproof mascara. Like myself, I don't like waterproof mascara for reasons that to me is too hard to take off. This packaging, let's get into this packaging though. This is so cute. It's definitely nice and clean. I like that. I like this packaging. And let's see, let's pull it out. And it's just a regular mascara wand, but I definitely I definitely can't wait to use this. I'm not gonna put any on now because right now I do have on lashes, but I definitely cannot wait to use that mascara because I definitely love a good mascara. And this mascara is in the shade Perfect Black. So I'm excited about that, y'all. I'm excited about that. Next, we have the Brow 1980 Voluminizing Pomade. So to use this, you just brush it on your brows, up and out, wiggle the brush to add volume where you need it. You let it dry and come back for a second coat if you're feeling really bold. So this is in the shade brown because I felt like that was more my color for my brows. What I'm gonna say, y'all, so I've been wanting to try like the fluffy brows, and I just felt like, I don't know, I've been feeling like it wasn't gonna look right on me, but I feel like this is definitely, this pomade is definitely gonna help me achieve that. Ooh, and this is cute. It comes in, I love me some gold, y'all. This is cute. Let's see. I almost want to try some now, but I'm gonna wait. Uh-oh, I had it upside down. And it just comes with a little brush like that. So it's basically like, I don't know if y'all seen like the what do you call it? The brush, the brow mascara or whatever. That's what that reminds me of. But I definitely like that packaging, and it is so cute. And so this is the Minimalist Perfecting Complexion Stick. I got mine in the shade, I think you pronounce it Sepia. It comes in this packaging right here. Of course, all their packaging is basically the same, but I just want to show y'all because it's cute, and I really like the colors. There's a really pretty blue. And this just comes in a stick like so. And if I'm not mistaken, this is, I want to make sure I open it right for y'all this time. Uh-oh. Okay, yes. This is how it looks. Oh, this is cute. So I definitely feel like I would use this as a contour shade, or maybe, I don't know, I'm gonna try it on my skin because when I read up on this, it says that you could use it to replace your foundation. So I'm definitely gonna try to, if it matches my skin tone, y'all, I'm definitely gonna be using this for foundation because I love some good concealer foundation now. And I'm not gonna necessarily say this is concealer, but it definitely per the website, it did say that you can replace your what do you call it? Your foundation with that. Okay. And moving on. I got a shade stick, which is Tinted Lip Oil. So this is Tinted Lip Oil, and you slick on whenever your look needs a pick me up, no mirror needed. So let's see. I got the shade Bel Air. And I got the shade Bel Air because Bel Air just reminds me of luxury, okay? Ooh, this is pretty. Y'all see that? Like, this is pretty. And it's like almost like a clear with like, I guess, gold in it. Let me see. I'm about to wipe my lip stuff off. I got me a cotton round, so I'm about to wipe my lip stuff off, and I'm about to see. Ooh. Maybe a cotton round. Maybe you shouldn't use a cotton round, but that's the closest thing I had. So let me try this lip oil. I can't wait to show y'all the signature lips because that's the main thing that I want to show y'all throughout this video. I like that. That's real lightweight. Like you could barely, I'm not gonna say you can barely tell. Okay. I like that. Oh my goodness. I like that. That gives me just the right amount of shine. Cause sometimes, look, like the box said, less is definitely more. Well, it just says less is more, but less is definitely more. And sometimes I don't like that high shine, that high gloss, you know? Okay, y'all. So this is the part that I've been waiting on. These are the signature lips. The signature lip. And of course, this is lightweight lipstick. I chose 2 shades. I chose Cabo and I also chose 1990. I chose these shades because, for one, 1990 is close to the year that I was born, and it's like a nice chocolatey brown shade. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to show y'all this packaging. Wait for it. And then also I chose Cabo because I want to go to Cabo, okay, and vacation there. This is the packaging. Fire. I just want to say, Mary Beauty, shout out to y'all. Y'all did a great job. Whoever chose this packaging, y'all did a great job. This is beautiful. I love it. This is so nice. I really like this packaging. So this is the shade 1990. I'm gonna show y'all 1990 first. And I'm just swatch that on my lip and see like what it look like. Let me take my cotton round again. Y'all don't know why I keep doing that. Knowing good well I don't get that on my lips. Okay. So it's like a brown color. Y'all see that? That's really pretty. Really, I feel like it's rich and chocolatey. I'm sorry, y'all. There, y'all can see it better. This is the shade 1990. So y'all know how something looks so good that y'all don't want to mess it up. But I'm gonna have to mess it up because I really want to show y'all. I like that. I was gonna say it smells good too, but it just smells like, I guess, lipstick. I don't know. I probably just made that up in my head and I'm smelling chocolate because I said chocolate. But I like that, y'all. And that's like a sheer chocolate too. I like it because, look, y'all, I always, when I see people, like, I see people wear like chocolate lipsticks and I feel like it looks so good, and then I try it and to me it just doesn't look as good on me. But I like this. Oh, I like that. Thank you, Mary Beauty. Oh, I feel like y'all made this shade just for me, just for me, just for me. I really like it. Okay, so let's try on Cabo. Let me see if I have a tissue. I got a paper towel here. And that'll probably work better. So let me wipe this off. Oh, I really like that brown. Oh, you know, I should have tried it with the lip oil too to see like how that was gonna be. Okay, next we are trying Cabo. And I'm gonna show y'all what this looks like. To me, it's like a reddish color and like a reddish, brownish, orangish. I don't know, but I like it. And it's pretty. So let's try it. Let's try it and see what it's talking about. Oh. Y'all like that? Oh, I like that. I like that. I like, oh, I like that. It's definitely making the skin pop. Ooh, okay, this time let's try some lip oil with it because okay, Cabo. Merit Beauty, I just want to say y'all did y'all thing with this line. And if I'm not mistaken, because like I said, I did read up on the company before I did present this to you all. And I saw that they were relatively new. I actually read a Forbes article on them, and per the Forbes article, it did say that they launched back in 2021, so just last year. So they are a new company. They are sold at Sephora, so that's where you can get it, but of course you can always go on meritbeauty.com. Uh-oh, now I'm gonna have to wipe that off because I didn't even think about that, but I like that. I like that a lot. I like that a lot. So yeah, y'all, that looks so beautiful. I really like that Cabo. I really like it. Okay, y'all, so that's pretty much that for the video. Let's rate these products. So we're gonna start with the signature lips first. For the signature lips, I definitely give a 10 out of 10. Very lightweight, satin finish. I definitely agree, and it definitely does glide on. It just glides on very well. Definitely love it. The lip oil, if you like lightweight and you don't like too much shine on your lips, like something really natural, the lip shine. And of course they have different shades, but like I said, I chose the Bel Air. The Perfecting Complexion Stick, for the packaging, I definitely give it a 10 out of 10. I don't know about the Complexion Stick yet, but I'm definitely going to try it in another video, so be on the lookout for that. And for the mascara in brown, I am going to go ahead and give them a 10 out of 10 for the packaging as well. I feel like all their packaging was 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10, okay? Because it was just beautiful. And then for their Flush Balm, I'm definitely gonna give that a 10 out of 10. It gave me just the right amount. Not too much, not too much. Just enough. And I love that. I do. I love that. Okay, y'all, so that is that for the video. Of course, I will list everything that I have down in the description below, along with the colors. And then also I have a link where you can get 10% off if you do choose to shop. So go shop Merit Beauty. Like I said, I give their products 10 out of 10, and this is my first time trying them. So I'm definitely going to give them a 10 out of 10, especially for a vegan company, because I'm gonna say I've tried some vegan companies. I'm not gonna say which ones, but I've tried some of the vegan companies, and the pigment and stuff, it just wasn't there. So I don't know if it's the formula, but congratulations, Merit Beauty. Y'all did a great job. Y'all did a great job. And I want to say thank you so much for sending me this awesome package. Again, y'all, I definitely suggest y'all go shop with Merit Beauty. I myself am going to be getting some more products because I definitely loved what they sent me. And I saw some other things that I kind of had my eye on, but I wanted to try the products first to see what it was. And look at me, y'all. I still got this lipstick on. That is so cute. Okay, y'all. Well, again, y'all, I love y'all, love y'all, love y'all. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the vibe, and also leave a comment if you like. And again, everything will be listed down in the description below. I love y'all. Thank you. Bye.